It's so big they had to show us a video.
Can I put the sparkler bucket here?
Yeah.
You want me to get you a bigger bucket?
I don't think it matters.
You want to do these or no?
The rocket burns down to there and then they explode.
About
About 200 feet
Oh,
now
just one.
in the sky.
I like that one.
100
Hey, you're the
shot.
fish. 100 shot breaking comments.
Here.
I like these.
Okay, that scared that could be.
What was it?
Yeah,
Phil did that.
Oh.
because it is little.
Point them away.
Hold them in the road.
Yeah, don't point them at anybody.
It's something like fireworks sales.
Oops.
Point them away from people.
Britt, watch out.
What is this? It makes colors. What is this? Oh, they're fireworks.
You might not. But it really is, it's just beautiful.
What you got, Maddie?
It is amazing, once you can get over that stuff, I just can't.
Where are they open up? I like the big ones. They go longer.
Hey, just be careful,
Can I
alright?
have
Yeah,
one of
seriously.
those?
Sparklers are dangerous.
Oh, can I put my finger right here now?
They told us not to spray deep on the
Then
golf
we-
course.
It's doing coffee pop. Twice as more smoke. How much harm is dry one?
I did.
I told you the other day, that's the one I have, and it's non-scented.
Hey guys,
One of them is like one that smells like raspberry. That one smells like raspberry.
Hey, burn your
I didn't have to spray it.
throw it the way. Running over. And then up.
How you doing, man?
Why?
Watch out, guys.
Is he going to be all day?
Start on me.
Again!
That blew my ears out over here.